DJ Black Coffee's heading back to Vegas. After killing the party scene in Las Vegas last year, Black Coffee will be heading back to the city for a residency at the Wynn nightclub. The star made the exciting announcement on Sunday evening and sent fans into a tiz. Black Coffee's previous residency at the club was a huge deal that gained major hype. His sets were also attended by some pretty big names, including Drake. Black Coffee will join a great list of other residents at the club this year, including the Chainsmokers, Bedouin, Guy Gerber, Jamie Jones, Nicole Mudaber, the Martinez brothers and Diplo. Black Coffee has also had a 2-season residency at High Ibiza. The DJ is currently on holiday but thanked followers, who flooded his page with congratulatory messages.
Yeah.